Yo, what's up, guys and world, people from all around the world. I hope so you're keeping well. I'm today in world famous Pandava beach. Well, at least it was famous long time ago, because doesn't look that optimistic right now. And that beach was very secret for longer while, but then become famous, and this is what left after that, because obviously now it's very quiet everywhere around the Bali, but here is extremely deserted, I could say, as you can see on the left, on the right. But the beach, it's really nice. Here is one warung actually, and there are even two guests there having a bincang, and somewhere over there is the one lady sunbathing. But after that, except these three doggos around, I'm here by myself, and that's sad. Somewhere here on the top is the Rooster Beach Club. That also doesn't look optimistic. Alright, so the situation looks how it is. Like I already mentioned once, so many warungs here. They are closed, and they are actually abandoned, empty, deserted, and not many people are around. I used to fly a drone a little bit, and here is the some photo place for the like a ship and like stuff like this. There was this small girl so happy to see a drone. So that's the only people who I met actually on this beach, being here already for 20 minutes. And yeah, I will show you a little bit how it looks around this beach, because this beach long time ago was super famous. Now lose the battle, I think, with the Melasti beach. This is Pandava beach, lose the Melasti beach. In Melasti so many new development, as you saw on my previous vlogs. But this one, there is only one beach club, actually belongs to the Marriott Group hotels, and after that not much is happening. Is so many warungs what just is left behind. That's pretty sad view actually. So this beach have like a small village actually around. I used to be in here make a vlogs, but usually I used to drive my scooter or around here. Now I'm first time walking here around. Some local people here are even. So that's how it looks like. They have a statue of the cow. But in general, as you see, the beach is prepared for many people, but it's not many people around. They even have a rescue and stuff like this. Maybe for you guys who used to coming to Bali in 90s, early 90s, early 20s, you have good memories with this beach, because this beach was famous at that time, before Melasti beach was accessible, easy access to Melasti beach. And there's only the empty line of Eurasia umbrellas, the sunbeds. So no need to worry about the beachfront row with great views. Looks like a village actually right now, because they built so many small warungs around. This one is open, the one, and there is the another one. And they are like approximately maybe 20 tourists around, mostly Indonesians local. And feel like I'm alone on this beach. I'm trying to record, all the time facing the front, what I can see, so you can feel like you are walking with me, It's like front point of view. But comment below if you would like to enjoy this beach today here with me or alone. In the situation like this, there are some people here. I think here is the main entrance to the beach, so at least here maybe will be slightly little bit more people around. All right, so this is the center of the Pandava beach. There's supposed to be river long time ago, and there are some local people here. What was there? Yo, what's up? How you doing? All good? How is the business? All good?
No, very low.
Very low, right?
No gas, no life.
No gas, no life. No money, no honey, right?
Yes, honey.
Okay, only honey but no money, okay. Take care, yeah? At least the local people still have a good humor. They are smiling. Even somebody comments the Balinese people still smiling and they are happy, but they have a deep inside, I believe they are sad actually. I feel sad walking here, so don't think so, as they feel much better than me, especially point of view as they have a business here. So That's how it's look like. Seriously, except these few people and this lovely guy who tried to sell me something. Actually, he didn't even try to sell me anything. There's no people here. I'm just walking by myself. There is the lovely beach on this side, low tide, and on the other side they are closed warungs. So that's how it looks in the Pandava beach. I'm just trying to understand when I'm walking right now why this beach, like 20 years ago, even 10 years ago, even 5 years ago, was super extremely busy and was the big hype on this place. Like many people from all around Indonesia especially, they used to coming to Bali and they need to have a picture here with the name of Pandava beach. And even international people, every company, like a tourist company, tour guides, they come bring people here. But now other beaches, let's say, they are, of course, now is the current situation and it's extremely quiet everywhere. So, but in general, if you go to Melasti beach now, like we were with Winnie like 2 weeks ago, was so busy actually. I mean, busier than here, because here looks like it's deserted. So that's actually big question for me. And to compare Melasti beach to Pandava beach, which is this one is Pandava, here you can surf, where in Pandava maybe, in Melasti maybe not really. In Pandava here you can, it's not that best, but you can, but in Melasti no, but still completely no people around. And look at this, all the gear just left behind. Pretty sad. Here also, to compare to other beaches in Uluwatu, like to, let's say, to the Melasti or Sulaban or Padang Padang or Bing Bing, they are fisherman boats here, so there is the good waters to dock your boat and go fishing if you're interested. But still doesn't look that optimistic. Alright, cheers guys. I got a bintang radler here. There is the one warung open. Hello! This lovely lady sold me the radler, so I'm gonna enjoy it. And by the way, I just wanna mention, and here even radler bintang is cheaper than elsewhere. This lady, without any negotiations, just offered me this one for 25k, wherever elsewhere is 30k or more. So that means it's really like hard times for them. And yeah guys, I will face maybe the beach is more better view, more optimistic. Anyway, I would like to say thank you so much for watching till this moment. If you are still watching, you can comment below if you watch till the end. And like always, thank you so much and see you tomorrow, something new. See ya, take care guys.
I'm not hiding anything. I think you know me too well. I'm always coming up short on words. You should know that by now. We've been down this road. So I'm not sure what you think you heard.